Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you have times when you need to be able to hide things in your home because you have company coming over, or maybe you need a nice backdrop for something, or you just simply want to divide things up in a room? Well, if that's the case, then you're going to love the 6-panel divider that I got from WelFurGeer. This has given me total ease of mind when we're having people over and maybe I've got that corner that is just in total disarray. I can put this beautiful divider up and it just looks totally polished and finished and nobody knows that I'm hiding a mess. We also have this outside rec area that I have a tub in, and I wanted to be able to block off our workout area and our laundry area. Not only is this screen aesthetically beautiful, but it's very functional too. It folds up easily in an accordion style, and it's light enough for me to move around by myself. Having the boards kind of go in and out when you place it is going to make it more stable. This comes well packaged and completely assembled, so you don't have to put any work into it. You can take it out of the package and immediately start using it. This is such an elegant solution to some of my eyesore areas, and I love that it's a privacy screen too. I'm using it all the time. I think that you will too, and that's my point of view.